Welcome to our channel. Today we how to hide your Instagram followers list, full walkthrough step by step clearly. Open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the correct account. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner to open the main menu. Select Settings and Privacy from the menu options. Scroll down to the section called Who Can See Your Content. Tap Account Privacy to view privacy controls for your profile. Turn on private accounts so only approved people can follow you and view your followers list. Tap Switch to Private to confirm when Instagram asks you to approve the change. Go back one screen to return to Settings and Privacy. Tap Messages and Story Replies to control who can contact you. Set message requests to only people you follow if you want to reduce unwanted access attempts. Go back and tap Tags and Mentions to limit how others can connect you to their content. Set who can mention you to people you follow for better privacy. Set who can tag you to people you follow to avoid exposure through tags. Go back and tap Comments to reduce visibility from public interactions. Turn on Hide Comments and add specific words if needed to filter spamming attention. Go back and tap Story to control who can view and share your stories. Tap Hide Story from and select any accounts you do not want to see your activity. Disable Allow Sharing to Story if you do not want others to repost your story. Go back and tap Privacy, then tap Activity Status. Turn off Show Activity Status so others cannot see when you are online. Now return to your profile and tap Followers to review who currently follows you. Tap Remove next to any follower you do not want, because removing them keeps your list more private. Repeat the same check-in following if you want to stop following accounts that attract unwanted attention. If you want maximum control, block specific accounts by going to their profile and tapping the three dots. Tap Block, then Confirm, and they will not be able to view your profile or followers list at all. For extra safety, change your username and profile photo if you want to be less searchable. Finally, test your privacy by asking a friend who does not follow you to check what they can see. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.